Hey, what's up guys, this is Guy here. I've been trying to buy an action camera for my videos, and after doing my homework, I decided to buy the DJI Osmo Action 4 instead of the GoPro 12. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video today just to show you what is inside this box that was just delivered. I'm going to make some more videos. If you have any questions, leave questions in the comment, but you're going to see this small camera being used in most of my future videos on this channel. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So what I bought is the adventure combo. It has more than just a camera. First of all, we have a selfie stick, USB-C to USB-C cable. This is the magnetic clip. This is one of the reasons why I decided to go with the DJI. It's so easy to attach it or detach it from the tripod or wherever you have this one hooked on. And the adventure combo comes with 3 batteries and this box here that will allow you to charge your batteries. And we have the hood for the lens. This one, I don't know what it is, but we figured it out. Here we have a case that we can put on the camera. This one is a sticky support that you can put on a helmet or anything that has a curvature like this. And we have 2 thumb screws as well as one other magnetic mount. And finally, we have the camera. Alright guys, that's all I had to show you, just the unboxing. I'm going to be using this camera in my future videos. One of the reasons I bought this is the magnetic thing here. It's really easy to remove or attach your camera anywhere you want to mount it, and that's one of the many reasons. I'm going to leave you some videos down in the description where they compare the Action 4 to the GoPro 12. I watched all of that and I decided to go with Action Pro for reasons like this front screen here that is touch screen instead of just giving you some information without any way for you to set up the camera. Thank you guys, and if you like this kind of videos, if you want to see my future project and everything that I do, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys and take care. Bye.